Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down the best stand mixers of 2024, perfect for all your baking needs. Whether you're a casual home baker or need something heavy-duty, we've got the top picks for you. Let's get started. Kitchen in the Box. Kicking off our list is the Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer, a versatile and powerful option perfect for both novice and experienced bakers. This stand mixer features a spacious 8.5 quart stainless steel bowl, making it ideal for preparing large quantities of dough or batter for family events, parties, and holidays. Powered by a robust 900-watt motor, which can peak at 1800 watts, it efficiently handles everything from light mixes to heavy-duty kneading. With 10 speed settings, you can easily adjust the mixer to suit any recipe, offering precise control for tasks ranging from whipping cream to kneading bread dough. The tilt head design allows for easy access to the bowl, making ingredient addition and attachment changes simple, while the dishwasher-safe dough hook, flat beater, and whisk ensure quick cleanup. This stand mixer is a great gift idea for anyone who loves to bake and is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The Kitchen in the Box Stand Mixer brings power, convenience, and versatility to your kitchen, making it a top choice for 2024. Hamilton Beach 64658. The Hamilton Beach Classic is a versatile 2-in-1 mixer that saves space and adds functionality to your kitchen. It acts as both a stand mixer for heavy tasks like kneading dough and a hand mixer for quick, on-the-go mixing jobs. With a 4-quart stainless steel bowl and 5 attachments, 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, and a whisk, you're equipped for a wide range of recipes. Plus, the bowl and attachments are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The mixer features a 290-watt peak power motor, providing ample strength to handle everything from batter mixing to thick dough kneading. It offers 6 speeds, covering every mixing need, and includes a quick burst button for an extra boost of power. The unique shift and stir lever allows the bowl to move from side to side for thorough mixing, ensuring all ingredients are evenly incorporated. Whether you're whipping up cookies or making bread, this mixer combines power and convenience, offering a practical solution for bakers who need both a stand and hand mixer in one compact package. KitchenAid 7-quart. The KitchenAid 7-quart Bowl Lift Stand Mixer is a powerhouse designed for serious bakers who need performance and capacity. With double the power in the bowl compared to the classic tilt head models, it effortlessly handles heavy tasks like kneading large batches of dough or mixing thick batters. The 7-quart stainless steel bowl can accommodate up to 13 dozen cookies, over 8.5 pounds of bread dough, or 7.5 pounds of mashed potatoes, making it perfect for big projects or holiday baking. This mixer offers 11 distinct speeds, from a powerful speed 10 for high-intensity tasks to a gentle 1/2 speed for folding delicate ingredients like berries or egg whites without overbeating. The double flex edge beater, with 2 flexible edges, ensures thorough mixing and bowl scraping, providing better results than traditional flat beaters. The bowl lift design keeps the bowl secure and stable with a 3-point locking mechanism, even during heavy-duty mixing. The package includes multiple attachments, including a dough hook, flat beater, double flex edge beater, 11-wire whip, and pouring shield, offering versatility for various culinary needs. The KitchenAid 7-quart mixer is an ideal choice for those who want to take their baking to the next level. HOWORK. The HOWORK electric stand mixer is a durable and stylish option that brings versatility and power to your kitchen. Equipped with a 660-watt pure copper motor and sturdy ABS housing, this mixer delivers reliable performance for a variety of tasks. Its 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl provides ample space for mixing dough, batter, or mashed potatoes, making it suitable for most home cooking needs. The bowl also includes a handle for easy maneuvering and a transparent anti-splash lid to keep ingredients contained. With 10 adjustable speed settings plus a pulse function, this mixer can handle everything from slow stirring to high-speed whipping, while the planetary mixing action ensures thorough ingredient incorporation. The tilt head design makes it easy to access the bowl and change attachments, while the 4 strong suction cups at the base keep the mixer stable during use. This model comes with essential accessories like a dough hook, wire whip, and beater, covering all your baking basics. HOWORK backs its stand mixer with 24/7 customer support, ensuring a positive user experience. Ideal for home cooks who want a dependable mixer with plenty of power and capacity, the HOWORK electric stand mixer delivers on performance and style. Zacme. The Zacme 8.4 quart commercial stand mixer is designed for heavy-duty kitchen tasks, making it perfect for large families or even small commercial kitchens. With an 800-watt motor and an 8.4 quart stainless steel bowl, this mixer can handle up to 4.96 pounds of dry flour or 8.3 pounds of dough in a single batch, making it ideal for preparing large quantities of bread, cookies, or other baked goods. The mixer features 11 speed levels, allowing for precise adjustments to tackle anything from light whisking to heavy dough kneading. Equipped with an LED display and a countdown timer, the Zacme mixer provides added convenience by letting you set the mixing duration so you can multitask while it works. The tilt head design allows for easy access to the bowl and switching of attachments, while the planetary mixing action ensures consistent and thorough blending of ingredients. The mixer also operates quietly, with noise levels ranging from 48 decibels A to 68 decibels A, providing a pleasant user experience. The Zacme 8.4 QT comes with essential attachments, including a dough hook, wire whip, and flat beater, making it suitable for a wide range of mixing tasks. It offers both power and capacity, making it a versatile choice for serious bakers in 2024. That's it for the best stand mixers of 2024. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!